Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to click on today's video. If you are new here, then hello and welcome. My name is Molly. I do a lot of beauty content here on my channel. I also mix in a few mommy videos. So today we are going to be doing our Boxycharm unboxing. I have here my April Boxycharm. So we are going to be getting into this box, seeing all of the products that are inside of it, swatching everything. And I'm really excited to start off the month of April. April is my birthday month, which is always really exciting. Even knowing I feel like with everything going on right now, it's not really going to be the most exciting birthday, but nevertheless, it's still going to be my birthday, so April's always exciting for me. So this is our April box right here. If you are new to my Boxycharm unboxings, I do these every single month here on my channel. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service. It's $25 a month, and we receive full-size items every single month in our mailbox. So we are going to dig into this month's box. I will have the link down below if you want to sign up for Boxycharm, but let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. I always try my best to have all of the info on the box down in the description box, so if you want to know my weight of the box, dimensions, anything like that, it'll be down below in the description, so make sure to check out that. Alright, so I always like to start out by telling you the variation of my box. So mine says number 12 right here on the card, so I have variation number 12, and this is the Festival Vibes box, so I'm excited to see what we got this month. So the first item is an item that I have and I love. It's been in my collection for a very, very long time. This is the Professional from Benefits. Benefit is a higher end brand, so we like getting those in our Boxycharm. I think this one retails for $24 maybe. Let's see here. It is $32. Oh, it's a little bit more expensive than I thought. So this retails for $32. It is a pore filling primer, so this is going to help to just fill in your pores. I use this product for years and it's definitely a favorite of mine, so that is really nice to get inside of here. Next up we have, it looks like some eyeliners. So these are from Illuminating, and these are the Gel Paint Electric eyeliners. So there are two different colors. These are gel eyeliners. So we have a electric blue and an electric pink, and I think these are really pretty. They look really nice. So here are what they look like. So we have a blue, like I said, and a pink. I just swatched them. So here are the swatches of the two. The pink is definitely very, very bright. So is the blue, but the pink to me just looks extra neon, a little bit more neon than the blue one. The blue one's a little bit more of like a navy blue. The other one is like a hot pink, and the price on these right here are $42 for the two. So those would be perfect for a festival look for sure. Okay, getting into our next product, we have a product from Iconic London, and these are their Illuminating Drops. Everyone loves these. I have them as well, so this is another product that I can tell you is really, really blinding. It's a super pigmented product. I just pulled mine out when I saw that we have this. So this is in the shade Original, and I'm going to swatch it for you. I just didn't want to swatch that one since it's never been opened before. So this is definitely a very, very blinding highlight. You can use this. A lot of people use it like under their makeup, but you can use it over top as well. It's just super, super pretty. It gives you a very wet look on your skin. I really like putting this on my shoulders too, like in the summertime. This is one that I've used a bunch, and you do get a lot in here. Like a little bit goes a long way with this product, so that is always good when you get your money's worth out of here. So the price on this one here is going to be $41 for this one from Iconic London. Okay, and next up in here, it looks like we have some brushes. I always like getting brushes. So these are from the brand Lavish, and it looks like they are some eye brushes. Very, very colorful brushes, which is fun. So they have this little compartment here, so let's go ahead and pull them out and see how they feel and what they look like. So it looks like we have a total of 5 brushes in here, and they feel pretty light. But the neon colors are definitely very fun, really cool. So it looks like inside of here we have this blending brush. So I would use this all in my crease. It does feel a tiny bit stiff, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be scratchy. I just prefer a little bit softer, but you never know. It could be a good brush. So it does feel definitely very light though. So we have that, and then we have this one here which says it's a shader brush, so just like a small little shader brush. We have a angled brush with a spoolie, so you would use that for your brows, or you can use it for a winged eyeliner. I love using angled brushes for that. We have this tiny little precision one right here, which you can use for lining your lips or using for like eyeliner. Really, you can use brushes for whatever you want to. And then the last one here is just this pencil brush, which you can use that one for your lower lash line. This one feels very, very dense, and it kind of feels like a little bit like it might be scratchy. I don't know. I'll have to try these ones out and let you guys know what I think. I'm a little bit picky when it comes to brushes. I'm not super picky though, but when they feel like so tightly packed like that, sometimes they're a little bit scratchy. So I'll have to try these ones out. And the price on this little brush set, again, there are 5 different brushes in here, and it says it is $29.99 for those brushes. The last product in our BoxyCharm this month is the Zoeva Caramel Mileage Palette right here. And I haven't tried a ton from Zoeva, so this is exciting for me. I actually haven't seen what this one looks like either. So it is one of those ones. Let's see here. Oh, it has a sleeve. I'm like trying to lift it up here, but it has a sleeve. So let's pull it out and see what it looks like. Like I said, I haven't tried a ton from Zoeva. I've tried a couple of their products. Don't think I've tried their pressed pigment palettes. So here is what it looks like. Definitely a really pretty packaging on this one. And this is pretty. So the inside of it is just like a really nice nude palette. Here are all of our swatches. We have a total of 10 shades in here. So each of the mattes are down here at the bottom, and then we have the shimmers. Looks like this one here is a matte with a tiny bit of shimmer in it, but they seem to swatch really nicely. The mattes actually feel really buttery, which is a good thing. I love that. And the shimmers look pretty foiled, so that's always a good thing too. Let me know down below if you have tried Zoeva's palettes in the past, and let me know what you think of the quality of them. I think maybe they've been in BoxyCharm before, but I'm not exactly sure, so comment that down below as well. But that is our total box. So to summarize everything, we got this palette here from Zoeva. We have the brush set here from Lavish. We also got the iconic London drops. So these are their illuminating drops. We got the Benefit Professional in here. And then the last product was those 2 eyeliners. And these ones were from Illuminati. So a couple of brands in here I've never heard of with the Lavish in this one, but that doesn't mean they're not good. Sometimes I find like hidden gems in the ones I've never like tried before. And that neon pink, I'm gonna try that right away because it looks really, really gorgeous. So comment down below what you got in your BoxyCharm this month, and let me know if you have any other tutorials or anything you want to see with any of these products. I would love to do that for you guys. I use them a lot on Instagram, so if you aren't following me on Instagram, make sure to check me out in there if you want to see some of these products in action. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'll have the link down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.